The tongue is a great tool of mental creativity. Never mess with it. Welcome to Advancement Strategies broadcast. I'm Iyke Nwambie, your host and the cheerleader of success, advancement, and leadership. The topic today is the tongue is a great tool of mental creativity. Now, research shows that the tongue, the human tongue, influences the thoughts in our hearts. Therefore, it is a tool of mental creativity. You want to create happiness in your mind, you speak happy words. If you want to change the thoughts that is ongoing in your mind, you change your words. Research also shows that you cannot change thoughts with thoughts. Instead, you change thoughts with words. We were not born with pleasant, soothing tongues. We were born with tongues. The choice of converting our tongues into soothing tongues is a choice you and I must intentionally and consciously make. And why is that? A soothing tongue can create a great song. An irritating tongue can create a great dung. I love this advancement key that says, a tool of soothing words is a tool of solace to the troubled heart. A tool of soothing words is a tool of solace to the troubled heart. In his translation, King Solomon said, the soothing tongue is a tree of life, but a perverse tongue crushes the spirit. I pray that your spirit will not be crushed. Speak soothing words. When I discovered that soothing words creates a tree of life, then I developed the habit of taking moments of inspiration, what I call moments of inspiration, to hide in certain places occasionally, plug up my ears, with an earpiece. For what purpose? To shut off the negative sounds and words and thoughts out there, and fill my heart with a pleasant song, an amazing faith building message, and drink, allow to sip into every recess of my body the naturalness of nature. And why do I do that? I am giving my tongue the soothing treatment to make it soothing. Why? If I want my mind to be calm, I must learn to speak calming words. Great leaders understand this. That was why President Ronald Reagan was known as the master of communication. One of the essences of his presidency was his capacity to use soothing words to calm the nerves, the frayed nerves of his audiences. Jesus was the very master of communication. Those that heard him would often say, from where did this man get this wisdom? Are his brothers and sisters not here with us? Some will say, nobody ever spoke like that man. What am I saying? I am challenging you to form the habit of using soothing words to tame the negative words in your environment, to tame the negative words from the news media, the negative words engendered by the political climate of your environment, the negative words, the negative financial imputations that you keep repeating to yourself every day. All of those only work to increase and build up the stress within you. Form the habit of shutting those things out and purify your tongue. Purify your tongue and purify the thoughts in your mind, and watch your life advance. Fill your heart with the right songs of melody, the songs of melody that build up your spirit. Remember, with joy will you draw out water from the wells of salvation, the prophet said. Take a moment in your tight schedule to enjoy the naturalness of nature. Assimilate it, imbibe it, and inspiration for greater heights will begin to form and build up in your heart. Remember this: The soothing tongue is a tree of life, but a perverse tongue crushes the spirit. Do you agree? Or do you disagree? I really love to hear from you. And remember to subscribe to the Advancement TV channel, where we have the mandate to continue to build up your heart and mind with the right strategies, the right tools and tactics to move your life, your environment, your family, your business, your ministry to greater heights. I'm Iyke Nwambie, the cheerleader of success, advancement, and leadership. God bless you. I'll talk to you again in another video. Until then, keep advancing.